Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I am going to share with you what is in my November Quilted Cow box that I just purchased. This is a monthly subscription plan that is $60 a month. So let's take a look and see what's in here. And it looks like the Quilted Cow Wicked Cool Quilters and Sewist Moo Mail. Your November box includes, so there's always two patterns. This one is for a prairie pillow or a prairie pouch. So we'll take a look and see what that's like. There is also a pair of Hold Steady machine quilting gloves by the Gypsy Quilter. And these are nice to use when you're free motion quilting. I've got a pair of a different brand. Oh, and these are nice. They've got the little nubs on the fingers. It says Hold Steady machine quilting gloves are breathable and comfortable. Gain extra precision control where you need it most with grip dots on the fingertips, or flip the glove around for maximum control with grip dots all over the palm and fingers. This versatile glove is perfect for any quilting situation. So that's in the box. One size fits most. There's a little quilter's journal. I can't write what's in my heart because I can't get the words to come out at the end of my pencil. The Quilted Cow. So it's just a little blank book with a pen that's attached. Right, maybe your quilt projects that you're working on or something. This, the Quilted Cow Pin Keeper. And it's a pin keeper with wool pin cushion inside. Let's open it up. See what it is. So it's a little wood box. You see that. Oh, it opens. Oh, and there. Got a little wool ball in there where you can stick your needles. Cute little container. I like that. There is also a quilt notes, 45 pages, and this is graph paper. So it'd be something you carry, stick it in your purse. If you're in the doctor's office, you can design a quilt. Fabric glue stick. And this is by Taylor, June Taylor glue stick. They always come in handy. You can use those for a lot of different things. There is, Aurifil thread. There's a gray Aurifil thread. And now we are down to the fabric. Let's see what we have here. Oh, and there are also, here are the two patterns that are on the little cards. And not very big. There it is. Beautiful piece of fabric. And it is about 22 by 18, so it's a fat quarter. This one is the accent that they're using. It's just the accent for the ruffles or for a band. So it's just a little over 8 inches by the width of the fabric. This green. This is a pretty piece, pretty colors. And I believe it's a fat quarter. It's a fat quarter also. That's a fat quarter. And then this, oh, this looks like it's everything you need to make a pillow. Got a piece of batting. I don't think it says. It feels like it's an iron-on batting. And then, I don't know what this is. It's just a piece of white. I'm not sure what that's used for. Oh, must be the lining. This must be the lining, maybe. And then this piece, oops, a big piece. It's a little over half a yard by the width of fabric of this white. It's got a little bit of a grid pattern to it. So I'm not sure which one I'll make, but that was what was in this month's Quilted Cow box. And I don't know if you saw before, last month I used the fabrics and I made this tote bag. The tote bag was the pattern that was within the box, but then I added the yellow through here and I made it wider because I wanted a wider basket. And then it's also got the pockets inside, but I made that. And then with the leftovers, I went ahead and made a new little mug rug. And I love them. And it's a great way to use up your scraps. Here's a better picture of the fabric glue stick, the pin keeper, and the Aurifil thread. This is so neat. I'm just gonna close that up. Even shows it on the top. That is cute. Here's the fabric and the patterns to make either the prairie pouch or the prairie pillow. I'm not sure what I'm going to make yet. This is the little book that you can write notes in. And then this is the quilt notebook, the grid, and the gloves. So that was what was in my Quilted Cow box. Here's a better picture of the tote bag that I made from last month's Quilted Cow box. And then this is the little mug rug that I just finished up using the last of the fabrics. I think they're so cute, and they're great. Buy a coffee cup at the Dollar Tree and add it to the mug rug, and you've got a great gift. Hope you enjoyed this. So I hope you enjoyed seeing all of this, and please stop by my website and take a look at all my tutorials and patterns. Thank you.